I hope the number bird comes soon. Learn about ancient time. Yeah, me too. That's our field trip today. Dance, 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 dance. Oh, I'm ready too. Morning class. I hope you all did your homework. Shoo, I forgot my homework. Oh, that's okay. I don't punish people. Get mad at people for not doing their homework. I just, just care for them. Now time to go on our field trip to the ancient times. Okay, here we are at field trip. Hi, number bird. Hi, Sandra. That's the ancient me. Yeah, that's cool. Well, hey, yo! Is that a real life scout? Real mummy? What? Oh, that? Yes, it is. Cool. Now, take your positions. Ancient time. Everything was unknown. Every day, it's an undiscovered discovery. And now, that's all I had to say. Goodbye. Wow, it's kind of known that she left right away. And this was my whole grandson. He died 77 years ago. And now, 10 million, I lived for 10 billion years. Even that'll give you a crick in the neck. I do love ancient time. Wait a second. I found my final touch. Plus, come here.